Yes, the tutorial for basic Java who want to learn Java. Today topic you are going to see is method overriding Java. So in the previous sections I explained about aggregation. What is aggregation, or it has a relationship, how you can implement aggregation in Java with a practical demonstration. Today also we go to see the small topic with the demonstration. It's a big topic, but we are going to see only the things, basic things. Who are new to the Java, definitely helpful for them. Today we are going to see generally what is overriding and method overriding in Java, and the usage of Java method overriding and rules for Java method overriding. At last, some of the example of method overriding in Java. Overriding means what? Generally, I already told you, these are concept or relationship always show the relationship between the classes and object here. So according to overriding means what? Is the functionality of the existing method. So override the functionality of the existing method. Whatever already method we can go and exit. According to Java overriding means if subclass or child class or base class has the same method as declared in the parent class, it is known as method overriding Java. So remember, if the child class or subclass has the same method as declared in the parent class, it is known as method overriding Java. So here usage of method overriding. What is the need of Java method overriding means, because it is used to provide the specific implementation of a method which is already provided by its superclass, and also it is used for runtime polymorphism. And rules for Java method overriding, many rules is there. I am highlighting only few here. The method must have the same name as in the parent class. First one. Next rule, the method must have the same parameter as in the parent class. And as well as another rule is there must be a relationship, that is inheritance. So moreover, we can implement method overriding for the constructors. Remember, so we can't implement method overriding for the constructors. Let's go for example. So first we go the small example where we are not using the method overriding. So I have a program called bike. In the program, first I am starting the base class or child class, that is subclass I am writing, class vehicle, then void run, then system.println vehicle is running, like that. Then I am writing the another method, another class, that is a derived class here, class bike extends extends keyword vehicle, then public static void main strings arguments as you know, and creating an instance of the child class. Now child class I am creating instance, that is bike object is called new bike object. Then I am writing I create another object now, that is a relationship between the class and object, where reference also, then bj.try random giving. And here what is the meaning of this means, calling the method with child class instance. So here what is the problem? I go and execute the program. So here the problem of this normal method without using overriding is what? Here the problem is specific implementation of run method in subclass is the problem. So let's go for a demonstration. Program is bike.java. So here just now I told you, so we are just creating an instance of the child class here, that is bike object is equal to new bike up, then I am calling the object.run. Sorry, there will be a small error here. I missed it over here. Object.run. So let's go for a demonstration. So compile the program. So you know Java space program name.java. So just I am compiling, then execute the program. Run the program with the Java space program name. Just hit a print, vehicle is running, like that. So method overriding is one of the topic where we have a lot of subtopic will be there, but these are things mandatory you have to know if you learn Java means. So Java space bike. If turn over, it will print vehicle is running, like that. Yeah. So the program is successfully executed. This is the way. This is a small example we are not using. Then one. So let's go for an example. Another example where this example what we are going to means. Now we are going to use the example. We are going to say two example. Example one called bike, then example two called bike.2. So in this example, what we have means we can define the run method in the subclass as defined in the parent class, but it has same site, but it has some specific implementation. Here the name and parameter of the method are the same, and there is a relationship between the classes, so there is method overriding. So how we are going to the same program, just now is your vehicle and bike program, we are going to extend with the overriding concept here, remember. So here run method in the subclass as defined in the parent class, but it has some specific implementation. So let's go for the demonstration. So bike2.java program name is here. So here first I am writing, just defining a method void run say, and now I am going to create a child class where class bike extends with the help of keyword class bikes, and a class bike 2 extends vehicle, then void run. Then I am going to give print system.out.println of bike is running safely, that message I have to print. At last I am completing with the overriding method. So here public static void main strings arguments of, then bike2 space object is called new bike up to, that is creating the object and calling the method, that is object.run. So like that you can see class vehicle, I am giving the method called void run one time, and in the child class also what I am going to use again call the same method again, that is again that is called overriding. So I told you just now. So defining the same method as in the parent class. What are the method you are giving void run? You are giving void run. Then at last they print system.out.println bike is running safely. And I am conclude the program with public static void main and bike to create the object where passing the parameters here. Bike to object is equal to new bike to of, then object.run. So calling method. So when I go call this object.run, what happen? It passes the program and print bike is running safely like that. Let's go for a demonstration. This is Java bike 2. Java bike 2. So already completed, don't worry. So just go for direct output here. So it will say, yeah, successfully executed, it printing bike is running safely. So like that we can override the method. How many times you want, you can do it. Everything supported in the Java program. Sorry. So creating child. So if you want, you can extend with another class, and you can give another method and keep on extend with like inheritance concept. So making issue relationship also here. Let's go for a real-time example. So we can implement another example. We can implement the runtime polymorphism. So here, assume the consider a real-time example. Here, consider scenario where bank is a class that provides functionality to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest varies according to the banks, private banks or government bank, whatever there. Let's go for the small program with the help of method overriding. That is called program name is test2.java. Here, see here I am going to create a class where I am going to create the method called int get rate of interest of. I am going to assign that assume that I have 3 banks, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, and bank 1, bank 2, bank 2, bank 2, bank 3. At last it will print all the interest rate of the bank. So first I am writing the program where class bank, then I am writing the method int get rate of interest, that return 0, because every bank have a different interest. Then I am going to create a child class for bank 1. So I am writing class bank 1 extends bank from the base class, and writing the method int get rate of interest, that's the method overriding here, and return 8. So whenever try to execute this program, what happened? The bank 1 interest rate is 8% like that. Then class bank 2 same, extend with the keyword extend, then bank. Then I am again calling the same method here, method overriding. So I am writing int get rate of interest of, then return 7% like that. At last class bank 3 extends bank where from the base class, and again I mention the method here, that is int get rate of interest, the return is 9, that means 9% like that. Now test class to create object and call the method. So we can call the overriding methods here. So I am writing the program, the class test2 program name is, then public static void main, then I am going to create the object, so bank 1 S space S equal to new bank of, then bank 2 I is equal to new bank 2 of, and bank 3 A is equal to new bank of 3. Then as usual, now I'm going to give the value of the interest in the system.out.println. So bank 1 rate of interest I'm going to say plus s dot get rate of interest. So it will go and take s means first one what is given here in the method. So first bank 1 is given the interest rate is 8. So the value will pass it here. So it will go and print the, when you go object creator successfully, it go and print 8% like that. Another bank 2, what is the interest percentage given here? 7. So again the value will pass here, yeah, I dot get in get rate of interest. So it will print 7. At last bank 3 return interest rate is 9. So whenever after creating successfully, the value will pass here. So at last it print the 9% like that. So that is s dot I dot a dot. Let's go for demonstration. Execute the program. Java test2.java. So if you want, you can try your notes for students relationship, employee salary relationship, whatever you want. So it's a basic one. Method overriding is a common one where it is anywhere in Java. So there's no error. So you can go for execute, see the output here. So it's a real time runtime polymorphism also you can successfully implement the method overriding. Yeah, we executed successfully. So we are with the extends keyword and we are extending and get the answer finally. That is bank 1 rate of interest 8, bank 2 rate of interest 7, and bank 3 rate of interest 9% like that. So I hope you understand this concept, what is overriding in the OOPS concept and what is exactly method overriding the concept and usage of method overriding and the rules used for method overriding and some real-time example. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the course for CS channel and stay connected with the social media. Thank you.